Hello guys, my name is Ankit Kumawat. I'm founder over Earth and I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be talking about the top 3 mistakes which I've made during my career and this past 4-5 years of journey in the over Earth. So if anybody who is about to start their business online, or any entrepreneur or anybody like you are having some sort of skills, or you want to just go through for business, so these are the top 3 mistakes which I have made, and I got a lot of harm and a lot of experience also from all of these things. But still, I would highly recommend that nobody make these mistakes, and like aware of all of these things, like so they'll definitely do better in their businesses, because I had no clue. I was just doing my engineering, and I had no idea. I just started the whole thing, and then it started happening and happening and happening. I saw the problems coming and I started facing, and I can't say it. It's a very big thing. Anyways, but these are the top 3 mistakes which I made. So I do not want you to make these mistakes. So okay, let's get started. The first most important mistake which I made is I wasted a lot of money. Like when you start so young, and you have no business background from your family, or maybe you can say you have no mentor or somebody like that, and when you start yourself, so you see things like if somebody told you like this is the kind of investment you need to make and it will give you growth, so I invested over there. If somebody told me like this is better, I invested over there. So this is not right, and I had totally no experience about it, that where should I invest and where I should not. But I had this positive vibes in my in all the time in me, that yeah, okay, let's invest over here, it will get some benefit to me. But during this period of time, I have realized that I have wasted a lot of money, and that have given me a lot of experience that is totally uncountable, that is precious. But guys, money is really important. Money is all we all are working for. So you really need to be smart about it. So spend your money very wisely. Think about it. Ask your mentors, ask your brother, ask your family, or discuss with your friends, and then make that decision. Do not just go after it and like doing what you want. So do not do that way. Okay. So the second mistake which I have made is quick decisions. Okay, quick decisions, something like that. I just saw something on internet and I found it so tempting and interesting that yeah, this is a very great idea. Let's work on this idea, and or maybe you can say like I just got a lead, or like 2 clients or 3 clients, or in my starting days. So I was feeling like we are growing so fast, and I just hired a guy who is I would say that the kind of salary I'm not getting, and I'm paying that kind of salary to that guy. So these are the kind of quick decisions you make. So you do not need to make these kind of decisions, because like every decision is so important in business. So what I used to do like things so random, so fast. Like I just saw something and I felt that this needs to be done like this, and I had this thing in my mind that mistakes makes you like it kept keep you like learning and growing. So I had this thing as in backup in my mind, that कि कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि mistakes करो and do that and take quick decisions, वो सही रहता है and all. And most of the time, like if I would relate, I would not say that it just harmed me all the time, but इस क्विक डिसीजन एबिलिटी की वजह से मुझे बहुत बार फ़ायदा भी हुआ है. लेकिन अगर मैं मिस्टेक्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो कि जो एवरेज है वो एवरेज कहीं ना कहीं ज़्यादा है, तो इसलिए आई विल श्योरली रिकमेंड कि आप सारे डिसीजंस सोच के लें, क्योंकि बिजनेस में सारे डिसीजन सोच के लिए जाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. नहीं तो आपके बिजनेस को बहुत हार्म हो सकता है. आपको लॉन्ग टर्म बेसिस में उसके रिजल्ट्स दिखेंगे, शॉर्ट टर्म में आपको लगेगा कि सब कुछ सही है, सब कुछ स्मूथ है, एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन, बट वो छोटी मिस्टेक्स बहुत प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाती हैं. ओके, सो माई थर्ड एंड लास्ट पॉइंट इज हेल्थ. ओके guys, during this period, like when you start your business, and like you just see all this in your mind that you have to do your business. Like, I kept on thinking about my life, that over earth is best. Like I have to do just like over earth is my life, I have to do this for business. I could not I was not sleeping properly, I was not eating properly, I was just kept on skipping meals and skipping like sleeping and all. I kept on working, and during this period of time I have realized that it haven't caught me some sort of serious problems or something like that. But as I have already started working out, and I used to do some sort of physical activities and some yoga and all those things to keep myself aligned. And after when I started all of these things like yoga and physical and sports and all of these things, so I found a better productivity in my work as well. So guys, you just need to not think about your business all the time. You need to be focused about your health, and most importantly, that if you are better at health, your like if your body is giving you, then you can achieve anything. If you are feeling healthy, if you're feeling happy, then you can achieve anything. So these are the most important points which I wanted to cover with all of you. And I do not want you to make these mistakes. So if you make these mistakes, you will have to feel the consequences as well, because I have seen the consequences and I've faced all of them. And that price quite high. So again, do not make these mistakes. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any kind of question regarding business, regarding business growth, regarding digital marketing, you can comment and I'll be answering you. Well,